Naga, grade 6 Opal. And today, we are going to make salted eggs. The ingredients are, of course, eggs, salt, and water. Let's make sure that the eggs are clean. Let's boil the water and put the salt. Let's stir the salt in the water so the salt can be dissolved in the water. I made this salted egg 21 days ago. Now let's put it in here so it can boil. Let's wait for 5 minutes for the salted egg to be cooked. This is a finished product, 21 days salted eggs. Salty but not too much. Thanks for watching. Bye!